A single spark can create a chain reaction. Alaska Resource Education is a catalyst for Alaskans. ARE connects students and teachers to Alaska's natural resource industries.
What ARE is doing is really important for our state. We, as a state, are on a low. And having things like ARE's class, which gives kids some pride, some idea of what we do, anything that we can instill some ownership of the state, of the resources, of some pride in our state, means that our kids will likely be more loyal and stay.
ARE is a gold mine of educational resources. They give teachers the tools to make Alaska's resources come alive with hands-on lessons about everything from modern mining to reclamation. These fun, engaging, and hands-on lessons empower young Alaskans to become informed stewards of Alaska's natural resources.
And we want to really educate, especially the youth, just due to the fact that there's lots of jobs here, they're well-paying jobs, they're good professions and careers, because we want the kids that grow up here in Alaska to have job opportunities inside the state.
It doesn't stop at the classroom. ARE takes students and teachers out into the field, giving them a first-hand look at how Alaska's resources are discovered, developed, and restored, changing the way they see our state.
I would have probably never considered working in resources. That's just all I've never considered. I was going to be in cosmetology, but no, forget that. No, this is more interesting.
It's really important to learn about the natural resources in Alaska so we can learn to take care of them, and also if you know about them, you can learn about the opportunities for the students to have employment.
ARE is sharing information and experiences that change perspectives and inspire educators.
The most surprising thing I've taken out of this week is that heretofore I thought that there was one side or another, the environmentalists or those who were seeking to access the resources. And now I see there's a balance and the possibility of balance in the future by working together, and I didn't realize that before, and I can see how I can bring that to my classroom.
ARE is a catalyst for impactful experiences that shape perspectives and inspire career aspirations. Fueled by our donors and partners, together we can ignite the spark that creates a bright future for Alaska.